Well, here's part of the Wiley group. We're all done at Babe's Chicken. Had a great meal in there. Everybody had fun. Wants to come back, do it again. We've already talked of doing all this again and having David Grail be in charge of everything, make all the arrangements, and just, isn't that right, David?
No, sir.
No, no. He just denied it.
Either.
He just denied it. Getting ready to go. Everybody's, yeah, there's Patty. She's trying to be obscene again. Yeah. That's what happens with some of these ladies after they get up in their 70s. They start having visions of grandeur again. Quite a lineup. Quite a lineup. There's a group of motorcycles that parked out here. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Nice looking bikes. They're having a get together at Babe's today. John Smith's Farm OM. More movies here. There's that 420. Back here in the back is that 730 diesel. Well, there's Thurman. He's got to start in on the women already. Every time there's women around, you're going to find Thurman pretty close by. Yeah. Well, I think it's about time everybody got saddled up here. Got ready to go home.